Cat School Part 28, Season 4. I am back with more Cat School episodes. I just got back today. And, so yeah. And also, if you didn't know this, but I have, oh my god, 436 subscribers. Oh yeah. Mostly because of Eminem Part 4, which I really enjoyed that you liked it because I put a lot of hard work into that because it was 4 minutes long and it was like over 3,000 frames, so yeah, just please subscribe. Anyways, let's get to the video. Hello everybody! Time to... Well, what I was actually going to say is, guys, what? Milky, you're getting a makeover. Wait, what? No! I don't want to get a makeover. Well, too bad. Come over here. Wait, what? Wait, what? Milky's getting a makeover? All right, Milky. No. Please don't. No. Help me, somebody. Thank you so much, Star. I will give you $1 million. What? Oh no! Help me! Oh no! Ah! No. Time to give you a makeover. No. Come over here. Someone help me! Please! No! Someone help me! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Stop it! Tell me to take your parts. Wait, what? You're dead. Someone help me! Alright, time for your body. Time to give this a makeover. What is happening? Dun. What is that me? Forget about it. Okay. But did I really get a makeover? I look so awesome. So it was worth it, right? I guess. Anyways. Wait, what? Someone do something. Anyways, who wants to play a new game with me? Me! I want to be in a game. No, like play a game. Oh, I also want to play a game. Ah, can you get this out? Okay. And can you also get rid of these me's? I don't want to see it anymore. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Anyways, so come over here. Alright. So there's a game called Buckets. That sounds weird. Yeah. Well, it's actually very, very fun. And I can make a custom game. Ooh, but I haven't finished it yet. But you'll get used to it. Alright. What was that sound? Why do you always do that? I don't know. Anyways, so do you want to go on Bucket? Yeah! But open your Chromebooks. Wait, we have Chromebooks? Just... Okay, just... Whatever, just... I don't know. Let's just... Just go on like Chrome or whatever. Alright, let's go on Chrome. Alright. Okay, I'm on Blookit, Mrs. Star. Yeah, me too! I'm also in! Same here. And me too! Well, you see, I have to sign in first. Wait, what? Yep, I have to sign in. Okay, so I'm done signing in. GoalQuest hostess. And yep, definitely time. 7 minutes. Guys, what do you want? I don't know. 10 minutes. You guys know how to play, right? No, obviously. Random names. You guys want random names? No! Okay. Let's do this. 147. Wait, 147? 147? 147. What? What's that? You're so dumb! Yeah, Mosh. Oh, my dish. 3277. 3277. 3277. 3277. Unlock skins? Yeah, some of them are unlocked for you guys. I'm not gonna give it. Ooh, rare. You know what? Much will probably be that. Well, I'm just gonna be this one. Mesh. Oopsies. Mushroom! Is there a brown cat? No! A pufferfish! Star. Star. Guys, ready? Yes! Alright, guys. Well, I'm so ready for this. Alright. So let's start. Oh my gosh! Whoa, there's different screens. Yeah. Ooh, this should be awesome. Who is this? This is Kiki. I'm correct. Dongle. It looks like this is not nectarine. What's it best called? Our pets the best, obviously. Of course they are. Hi. What? My room seems like you're mushroom! Ooh, who's the next one? Mushroom! At least it's myself, so extra points! Oh my gosh, I got the record, let's go! What? No! Oh my gosh! Marshmallow! Let's go. Mushroom stone. This is rigged! This is rigged! This is actually okay, what? Maxwell. Guys, this is actually record click Maxwell. Guys. Okay, I'll put Maxwell. I mean, whatever. My very gentle. What did I click? Whatever. Charlie. Wait, what? Oh, no, 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 How did you do that? What did you say? What is so much? Yeah. Stop it! Of course I'm the best. He got 2,631 gold? How? I don't know. Yes! A daily wheel. Let's go. 20. Are you kidding me? I got 20. And then let's see. Okay, 35. Thanks, I guess. Alright! Thank you! Spin a daily wheel. 10? I could have got 1K. I guess I got 22. So, who wants to get... There's me! Maxwell said that. Yeah! Okay, go to market. So everyone should have this because they're basically on the same account. Yeah. So I'm gonna get a safari pack. Ooh. I got a sloth. Please get something good. I got a rare elephant. Wow. I'm gonna get the space pack. I got stars. Another sloth? Okay. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna get this. I got an old boot. Are you kidding me? A crab? Okay, I'm getting a dino pack. Ooh. I have 11 left and I can't buy anything else. Oh, great. What, you have 11 too? What? Yeah, everyone should have 11 because they're on the same account. What? Anyways, oh wait, I can host? Mushroom, you are not hosting. Wait, is there like a mushroom? Mushroom! I'm wondering with the most questions. 20 questions. 51! Okay, yeah. I'm hosting. I wish I wasn't in it, but let's do a fishing budgie. How much do you want it? Well, I didn't know mushroom could host. I guess 7. Okay. And yeah, that should be good. Alright! Alright, everybody, get on! Are you kidding me? We should start. You wanna play? What? Anyway, so the code is 417. This looks like a restaurant mushroom. Diane wins! Even though I hate her. Yes! Thank you. How did I get 1? I got 4. How did Maxwell get the most? I don't know. Well, buy a 15. I still don't have any to buy any, but it's whatever. Well, you want to do another one? No, I'm tired. Yeah. Well, I guess we can just go to bed. Yeah, we can go to bed. I can't believe you hosted Mushroom. What? I want to host a game. Wow. So, Milky, how do you like your new makeover? Oh, I think it's awesome. Yeah, it does look pretty awesome. Yeah. Wait, no. Ow. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. Even also, if you... And also... Oh, wait, let me get back to the... Alright. So... Also, I have a message for you. Don't let it be a fart. No. It's not a fart. But first I will. Alright. So here's the message. So I'm gonna go into my microphone. My microphone. Mushroom, you are so weird. Okay, wait. Alright, everybody. So, like the video if you want me to make Mushroom Plays Minecraft. And subscribe. So yeah, that's my message. Can't we just do it already? We don't need people to like this video. We can just, because we don't get that many likes on our videos, sadly. But we did in that Cash Go Part 20. We got 122 likes, I'm pretty sure. How did I get 122 likes? It was just